Hello traders and welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show today. I'm going to be going through some charts on the 4-hour time frame. So here I share my screen. All right, here we go. So on this currency pair, GBP/JPY, I set a pending order at the last bar, so 4 hours ago. It didn't get triggered in, so I'm now going to wait for possible further pullback and a new setup. So I'm not going to re-enter now, but still looking for a long on this currency pair. So in terms of monthly, we just on that horizontal, so not much room, but it is still an uptrend. So we'll wait to see what happens in the next maybe couple of bars or tomorrow. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is USD/JPY. So that pending order that was set at the previous show has been filled. So we're now in that trade. So still looking for long and holding on that one. So looking to go to that horizontal level there. Looking for a long. So that is the trade that's in at the moment. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is AUD/USD. So that currency pair I also put in a pending order at the last show, which was for a long. So looking for a long horizontal. Still going sideways, but in terms of the trend and being at the bottom of that channel, still looking for long at the moment. So just holding that trade. It did get triggered in and just holding in that for now. Next currency pair I'm going to look at is Euro/USD. So that is the trade that's been going on for a number of weeks now, still holding on for the long. So that's still looking for long all the way up to that horizontal there. Monthly, it's a bit of hovering at the moment, but let's see what happens next few days. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro/JPY. So still in that trade from a number of weeks ago on a long. In this one, looking for a long all the way to that horizontal, just underneath that. So that's still looking good at this stage. So still in that trade and holding. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro/AUD. So Euro/AUD, I'm looking for long. We look at the monthly, the price was coming down. So we were shorting for quite some time until this 1.57. And at the moment, that's had a little bit of reversal on the weekly. So looking at weekly for the direction, on the daily, we have a high, a higher low, and what is possibly a higher high. So looking for a pullback. So on the 4-hourly, I'm looking for a decent pullback down to the horizontal line or a little bit below. There is a reversal here now, but it's a little bit early. I prefer the pullback to be a little bit further down. So I'm not entering that trade, but looking for a long if the pullback gets a little bit lower. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBP CAD. So this currency pair I'm looking for a short. I'm looking to short from this horizontal level down. So that is still looking good for a short. At the moment, with that sideways movement, I'm looking for a bit of a pullback up, either to the horizontal or to the trend line, and then looking for a reversal before shorting. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is GBP USD. GBP USD, I'm looking for a long, being mindful that we're quite close to that horizontal level. So, see, possibly a reversal, but if we get a pullback, the pullback would need to be a lot deeper down to this bottom of the channel in terms of the price action to see if there is a reversal. Then there is still a bit of room before the horizontal, but at the moment I'm not looking to enter. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, I'm looking for a long, trading this range, so looking to go up to the top of that range there. So at the moment on the daily, EMAs are crossing in the upward direction. So in terms of the entry on the 4-hourly chart, I'm looking for a pullback down to the bottom of this short-term range, going sideways, so to the bottom there. And then if I had price action there indicating a reversal, and I would be looking for a long from that point. And the last currency pair I'm going to have a look at is USD CAD. USD CAD, I'm looking for a short. It's gone past that 1.25 price horizontal level. So looking for a pullback back up to the top of the channel there, and then a reversal. The daily, so looking for a bit of a crossover there of the EMAs. And then in terms of the price action on the 4-hourly, looking for the price to go a bit further up, at least to the top here, all the way to the trend line, or even all the way to the horizontal level. So looking for a pullback further up before going short on that one. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Pop them in the chat box. Otherwise, there's nothing to take at the moment. So if you want to follow along, then please join on the Simple Forex Setups Telegram group, where I post all the updates about the trades I take, and the trade management. Otherwise, I can see you again next Wednesday for the live show that's being live streamed to YouTube at 9 a.m. Singapore time or 1 p.m. Singapore time. So I'll see you then. Bye for now.